Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Troy Conch. Today we're going to be talking about some of the legal aspects of education. So first off, we have the court systems. So all educated-related issues are heard in either the federal or state courts. But federal courts hear cases involving federal laws and regulations or constitutional issues, whereas state courts deal with cases involving state laws or school board policies. But both require that the individuals in the lawsuit try to go through all the steps possible to try to resolve the issue before bringing it to court. All right, next we have teachers' rights and responsibilities. First, we're going to talk about rights. So, teachers are protected from dismissal without cause under the tenure laws. And tenure is a right of holding or occupying something of value for a period of time, such as their teaching jobs. Teachers also have the right to form and belong to unions. They are protected against unreasonable search and surveillance, meaning they can't be searched for no apparent reason or videotaped. Also, they have academic freedom, so they can choose their subject matter as long as it's relevant to the course without being interfered from administrators. Okay, now teachers' responsibilities. Teachers are responsible for protecting students from harm and injury. If they suspect any sort of child abuse, they must report it immediately. Teachers are also responsible for reporting any plagiarism or academic dishonesty. And they have to give all students an equal and fair opportunity to learn. Next, we have students' rights and responsibilities. So, students have somewhat limited freedom of expression. Let's say a student is expressing themselves and their way of expression is deemed to be distracting from the class, and that student can get in trouble. Students can also be searched with reasonable suspicion. I know there's some schools where you gotta walk through a metal detector or a drug dog just to get into the school. However, students are protected from violence, and they also have the right to a fair learning environment. Now, students' responsibilities are pretty simple. Students are expected to follow all the rules and policies, and they're required to attend school. All right, finally, we have religion in the schools. So, students may organize prayer groups or religious clubs before or after school, just like any other non curricular student activity group, like a sports team or, let's say, chess club. Students may also pray silently during school, and teachers can neither encourage nor discourage students from doing so. Finally, students and teachers are protected against discrimination towards their religious beliefs, which is very important. I didn't put this on a slide, but I want you guys to think about these questions. Now, why do you think students' rights are limited in schools? What's the advantages? Also, is school a safer place with these limited rights? And finally, what kind of role do you think one's religious beliefs has on their experiences in school? That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you for listening. All right.